Hello and welcome to this rather short Bitcoin analysis. We have seen some downward movement just a few hours ago, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. In fact, as long as we stay above this red support line right here at about 57,000 US dollars, I believe we will see a new all-time high very soon. In our current situation, I believe that the Bitcoin price has formed a triangle inside this orange wave 4 correction you can see here on the screen. I believe it is already finished, or we are very close to finishing it. We started the triangle correction after we, at beginning of March, have briefly touched the former all-time high right here and have then formed this triangle correction right here. After this little Bitcoin crash today, we have recovered about 3.5% so far, and right now I think the bottom is in. However, if we fall below this red line right here at 65,000 US dollars, I believe we will enter this orange box, which I will personally use to build up new positions in Bitcoin. As long as we stay over this red line, this triangle is valid, and I believe we will continue higher after we've climbed the current all-time high and extend further towards around 85 to 95,000 US dollar in the next move. Out of a wave count perspective, we can count it pretty well, having this triangle right here. And now this E-wave can potentially undershoot this trend line drawn by the triangle. However, this is only valid if we are staying above this red support line right here. If we fall under this red support line, this triangle becomes invalid, and we have to look out for another way to count this corrective phase. Maybe to give you an idea how much or how high the Bitcoin price can go, we will look at the wave count on a higher degree. Okay, now zoomed out, we have this whole upwards move after we have bottomed after the last big bull cycle right here back in 2021. This pink 2 declares the end of the bear market and the start of the bull market. A bull market always consists out of 5 waves. It's an impulse pattern of the Elliott wave theory. Therefore, building a 1-2 setup, a 3, a 4 and a 5. 1, 3 and 5 are the upwards moves, which are divided by little corrections, wave 2 and wave 4. And right now, the triangle we just spoken about is this time period right here, where we have built one of the wave 4 corrections. After finding a bottom back in November 22, we have seen 2 1-2 setups leading to a rather impulsive moves to the upside. Right now, we are in this green wave 3 we see right here, and are going to see an upside move, which is this orange wave 5, completing the green wave 3, which will be the wave 3 of this larger upside move of this bull market, meaning there is another small correction to come and then another upwards move, completing this whole bull market. After we've seen that, we will enter a larger correction to the downside, which we will see probably about 40 to 50% decrease in price. Now, to show you some extensions I look forward to in the next few weeks and months, we draw the extensions from wave start of orange wave 1 to end of orange wave 3 to the end of orange wave 4 to the assumed end. Well, and we see these 2 lines right here, meaning the minimum target for this orange wave 5 and this green wave 3 is at least 84,000, but more probable 95,000. Theoretically, it could extend even higher towards the 100,000 mark. But even if we don't, we still have this movement right here, which will probably get us towards this 100,000 mark. I personally believe that we will see the end of this golden wave 1 in this year, meaning this year we will see this next upside move followed by a correction and then another upside move. We will see 100,000 Bitcoin in this year. That is my This is my personal prediction for this year. After that, of course, we will see a larger correction, but it could theoretically go even higher, which I will show you on the weekly chart right here. The golden one I was just talking about is right here and will also consist of 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we complete this golden wave one. The larger correction I mentioned earlier will be this move, followed by another 3 waves. Wave 3, 4 and 5. And the minimum target for just this golden 5 and this pink 3 will be $120,000. More realistically speaking, is way higher, about $185,000. Okay, so much for an overview, which I think is the situation right now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.